We are a group of 3 students from K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology. Have done a project for analog design contest which is conducted by Texas Instruments. Our sincere thanks to our project mentors Dr. K.P. Jayanti, Mr. C. Rajsekaran and to faculty members of our department.
Let me see about the hardware setup of our project. The components used in our project are energy meter, which is used as a current sensor, MSP 430 G2553 microcontroller, GSM modem for the purpose of transmitting the readings to the EB station. Here we are using the receiving end as the mobile phones instead of the EB station. Triac is used for the purpose of switching. Optocoupler is used for providing constant supply to the microcontroller. Power supply is provided separately for GSM and the microcontroller. Here we are using the bulb as the load for which the reading is to be measured. Now we are going to see about the circuit connections. Firstly, the supply from the line is feed as input to the energy meter. The output power from the energy meter is connected to the bulb through a Triac circuit. Next, the current pulse output from the energy meter is connected to the optocoupler. The optocoupler output is connected to the microcontroller as a power source. And finally, the LCD and the GSM are connected to the microcontroller. Finally, we are entering into the working of our system. Now the power supply is turned on. The energy meter output will be supplied to the load through the Triac. The Triac is used as a closed switch when the input of the Triac is low, and when the Triac input is high, the load will be turned off. The current pulse from the energy meter is sent to the optocoupler. This current pulse is a varying quantity, and so the optocoupler is used to provide a constant power source to the controller. The microcontroller is programmed to measure the unit of power consumed and total cost. Here we set the amount as ₹5 per unit. The unit and the amount information are displayed in the LCD. After each 2 minutes, this data will be sent to the mobile phones. This time interval and the amount calculations can be changed as per our need. As we are seeing, now the LCD displays the unit and the amount. The letter U denotes the unit, the AM denotes the amount. Now the display shows the message as SMS. This will be displayed for each 2 minutes while sending the data to the mobile phones. Let me see the mobile phone as a SMS will be received. The SMS sending message is displayed on the LCD. This is an indication. Now the message will be received to the mobile phone. As we are saying, the message is received. It contains the data, the unit and the amount. Another feature of our project is a short circuit indication. This is used for the purpose of preventing the damage to the appliances in case of short circuits. These two wires are used for the purpose of short circuit. When there is a short circuit, the power to the load is entirely turned off. This indication will also be sent to the mobile phone. This short circuit will also be displayed in the LCD and the message will be sent to the mobile phone. Now the message is received as an indication of short circuit. This is the entire setup of our project. Thank you for giving us a wonderful opportunity.